Hello and welcome, hope you're okay. I've been very busy the past few days getting ready for knocking the aviary down behind me, the mixed aviary. Don't know if you can see. Yep, the next week or two is going to be crazy, going to be knocking this down and then rebuilding the aviary. So let's take a look at the plans for the future and what I've been up to the past few days. The past few days I've been very busy in preparation for taking down the mixed aviary. I'm going to build a new aviary. It's going to be split into separate parts. It's going to have the zebra finches in one bit, the Bengalese and the parakeets in another bit, and possibly a small flight for some red rumps. Later on we'll get to see some baby budgies and other things, but let's get this video started by taking a look at what I've been doing in the past few days. Yeah, it's been very busy. Don't know how I did it, but managed to capture all the zebra finches, Bengalese finches, the one canary that was remaining, the two diamond doves and the box parakeets, and most of the zebra finches have been rehomed now. I'm going to keep the best ones. You'll get to see the best ones that I want to keep in a moment. Here they are in a little cage, bless them, all snuggling together in the sun while I wait for them to be picked up. And these are the ones that I want to keep. I'm going to keep all the Bengalese, going to keep the original normal box parakeets, and you can see some orange chested zebra finches in there, some quite nice big ones, some pied ones in there, I think they call them. Really lovely birds, and I'm going to wait for another breeder to bring me some more this weekend, and then they're going to mix with his bloodline, and then they're all going to go in the new aviary together and hopefully have some more nice babies. So let's take a look how I want the new aviary laid out. It's going to have a shed in the middle with inside flights for the parakeets and zebra finches and red rumps possibly. Not 100% sure on the red rump flight yet. So you've got the parakeets and the bengies all in one flight, an aviary to the left with the shed in the middle. They'll have access to a flight inside there. The zebra finches on the right, same for them. They'll have a little inside flight for shelter in the shed, and then hopefully, if I can, a red rump flight on the outside, just in the front there, with a little shelter for them. Just one pair, I think, of red rumps, and then see how I get on with them. And this is the plan anyway. I'm not sure how it's going to work out. You never know with these things, but that's the plan. I'm going to try and crack on with that this weekend and the following weekend, and then the following week I have off, so it's going to be good. And don't worry, I haven't forgotten about Mango. Mango has got a late Christmas present, if you like. He's got a brand new really big cage, a lot bigger than his current cage, and he loves it already. Here it is next to one of my cats. It's flipping huge, it is. And here he is with his Buddy, the blue-green boy. You can see his colours are coming out there. He's amazing. He picks it up really well in this shot. Yep, they both love their new big cage. I also got some very nice nest boxes for the box parakeets, very well made. I'll post links to everything that I received recently in the description. You can see the nest box. It has a nice little hook and a nice springy mechanism so that you can check the chicks and clean it out easily. Very impressed. Here's some inserts and some budgie nest boxes as well that I received. I'm gonna breed more birds in the bird room. Got a cage to build as well. I'll do a video on that probably later on. And here's some of the natural perches that I love to use. I love to stick these up at random points in my aviaries, and also I like to use them in the breeding cages and any cages I've got really. I think they're brilliant. So let's take a look now at the baby budgies, the chicks that I've got in the bird room. I have 19 in total, so let's take a look at these lovely babies. Well, you've just seen Mum and them here had the 3 chicks today. The yellow female, she's finally got chicks. She's hatched 2 and kept them alive so far, so that's brilliant news. We're keeping a close eye on her babies. And there's 5 babies here, the babies of the parents that had the blue and green one, so I'm very excited to see what colours turn out. And next door to them 4 babies. Last time mum only reared 1 chick, so it's good to see that she's got 4 healthy babies, and I can't wait to see their colours. And then finally the oldest babies, they're ready to come out. Well, at least 1 or 2 of them. How they aren't out already, I don't know, but here they are, lovely babies. And as a bonus, as we come towards the end of this video, the budgies today couldn't wait for my wife to put the food down. They ambushed her and ate it out of her hand. So there's 19 baby budgies in the bird room. I've got some babies still in the aviary as well. So I'm going to leave you now with some video footage of my birds from the past few days. Take it easy, look after yourself, enjoy the rest of the video, and be sure to check back over the next week or 2. There's going to be lots of activity, lots of videos, and hopefully lots of progress on the new aviary.